You clicked on this video because, let's be honest, the idea of making money on YouTube without even posting videos sounds ridiculous, right? I mean, isn't YouTube all about uploading videos? But here's the truth. In 2025, the game has changed. And if you're still thinking the only way to make money here on YouTube is to grind out video after video, waiting for Google AdSense approval, then you're leaving money on the table. Let me just say that right off the bat. So in this video, we are going to rip the Band-Aid off and get real. I hope you're ready for what I'm about to spill today. Yes, you can make money on YouTube without posting your own videos. Remember, I said your own videos. And I'm not talking about shady hacks or some overnight scam. I'm talking about real, legitimate strategies that creators, small creators, people like you, are using right now to cash in while everybody else is still stuck chasing watch hours and subscribers. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works, but you'll see how you can start today. Here's the first thing that you need to wrap your head around. YouTube is not just a platform. It's a traffic machine and a search engine where people actually come looking for a solution. And that equals cash, money for you. The person who controls the traffic doesn't even have to be the one creating the content. Let that sink in. Think about it. Do you really think every top 10 channel, every motivational videos, every compilation that you've ever binge watched was some guy with a camera grinding out clips in his basement or in his room like I am? Nope. A lot of those are faceless channels repurposing content that's already out there. And they're monetizing in ways most creators never even think about. And it's not no copyright issues either. Let me show you the biggest ways this works in 2025. Number one, PLR and Creative Commons content. PLR means private label rights. Basically, it's content that you can buy the rights to and legally repurpose. You can slap your own branding on it, cut it into YouTube shorts, and add a quick voiceover, and boom, you've got a YouTube channel without having to film anything. Creative Commons works the same way, except it's free. You can take YouTube clips licensed under the Creative Commons feature, edit them, remix them, and turn them into new videos. And trust me, people are still sleeping on this one, but you don't have to. Number two, AI tools are a game changer. Look, I get it. You hear about AI tools and you immediately start to think, everybody's doing that. It's too overcrowded. But the truth is, most people are lazy with it. Let me explain. And they're also threatened by it. Yeah, the lazy ones will let AI spit out a generic script, for example, throw in robotic text-to-speech voiceover, and then wonder why nobody watches the videos. But you are going to do better. Tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, InVideo, and even Canva are letting creators crank out full video content without even touching a camera. And if you actually add personality, your voice, your style, your authenticity, you stand out instantly. I will leave the links for those tools in the description, so go check it out. Number three is affiliate marketing. And before you roll your eyes, this is where the money really kicks in. You don't even need Google AdSense. You take a faceless channel or even just YouTube Shorts. You build a niche audience and drop affiliate links in your description. Imagine a faceless tech hacks channel linking to products on Amazon, or a self-care tips channel promoting digital downloads. You don't need millions of views. No, If 1,000 people click and 50 of them buy from you, you are already cashing in without Google AdSense. Now, before I go any deeper, let me pause here for a minute or for a few seconds, because I know some of you are already thinking, okay, Cheryl, this all sounds good and everything, but how do I put it together into something real and tangible? That's exactly why I created my ebook bundle. 40 plus epic ways to monetize your YouTube channel without the partner program. You don't need Google AdSense. This isn't theory, it's the exact strategies creators are using right now to make money before AdSense, before the channel is even monetized. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, digital products, automation, or sponsorships, it's in my digital bundle. I give you everything. And if you've been spinning your wheels wondering how to actually get paid from this platform, that bundle will save you months of trial and error and looking to Google AdSense for that little measly little check every month. I'll leave the link in the description. Pause the video now and go grab it and come back, right back, because I'm about to blow your mind with the next method. Are you ready? All right, let's keep going. Number 4, unsaturated faceless channels. And let me get deeper into this. This is where 2025 is wide open to anyone. Everyone thinks faceless channels are dead because of AI and YouTube's new rules. That's wrong. They're just evolving. Niches like finance, relationships, pets, even gardening are thriving. Why? Because the demand for content never goes away. And here's the kicker. You don't even have to make the videos. Hire a voiceover artist on Fiverr. Use stock clips. Use AI avatars if you want. Your job is strategy, not filming yourself like I am doing now. So don't sleep on this one. Check out the link for InVideo in the description. That is an AI tool that makes amazing faceless videos for you. I use that for my travel channel. No heavy lifting on your part. That's how I started my faceless travel channel. And that's what I want you to know. If I can do it, you can do it. I have videos in the playlist where I show you how to use InVideo's platform. Number 5 is printables and digital products. Many people sleep on this one a lot, but you shouldn't. Imagine running a YouTube Shorts channel talking about productivity tips, for example, with a link in your description to a $5 printable planner that you made once in Canva. People watch the video, click the link, and boom, you've made money while your video does all the heavy lifting for you. And once you've created a digital product, it sells over and over again. And you don't have to create these products from scratch either. Just sign up on Creative Fabrica, where you will have full access to thousands of editable digital products that you can brand and call your very own. I will also leave a link to that in the description as well. Number 6 is using YouTube as a funnel. This is where it gets really exciting and interesting. You don't even need a monetized channel to start driving traffic off YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. You can funnel viewers into an email list, a Gumroad page, or even straight into another platform where you're selling your digital products or any other product. The magic is this. YouTube gives you free reach. You're not paying for ads. You're leveraging YouTube's algorithm to do the heavy lifting, and then you're reaping the rewards outside of YouTube. And here's where I'll stop and keep it 100 with you. Does it take effort? Absolutely. You can't just repost random clips and expect the money to roll in. But the beauty of these methods is that you don't have to sit on camera. You don't need to sit on camera. You don't need a fancy setup. And you don't need to wait for AdSense approval either. You can start right now with your phone. And speaking of setups, before you go stressing and Googling for hours about what camera or microphone you should buy or use, don't do that. You can use your phone, as I said. But I already did the homework for you if you're interested. All my favorite creator tools are right below this video in my YouTube shop. Cameras, microphones, ring lights, editing gear. It's the exact stuff I use as I scaled my channel. And I recommend it to making great content so much easier in 2025. If you don't see what you need down there in the shop, just tap it in the shop search bar. You're already there, so save yourself the hassle of going to look elsewhere and grab what works. Now let's wrap this up. Oh, I thank you in advance, I should say. The truth most people won't tell you is YouTube in 2025 is not about uploading for the sake of uploading. It's about working smarter, not harder. The people making the most money here aren't always the ones with the most views or the fanciest setups or gear. They're the ones who figured out how to leverage this platform as a business. And that, my friend, can absolutely be you. You, I'm talking to you. So here's your next step. Grab my ebook bundle, 40 plus epic ways to monetize your channel without the partner program. Because that's going to give you the full playbook to start stacking multiple income streams on YouTube today. And don't click away just yet, because in the next video, in this series, I'm revealing how to make money on YouTube with secret affiliate marketing methods. That video is going to take everything we just talked about and go even deeper, showing you how affiliate marketing on YouTube really works in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss that video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Take care now, and thanks for watching.